It's tea time, everybody. Guys, if you're new, my name is Pam, and this is Holidays and Celebrations. And I always love it when it's tea time, when I can share some tea information with you guys. Now, guys, this video is going to be in honor of all the tea-related holidays in our calendar, our health-related holidays in our calendar, and our fruit-related holidays in our calendar. Now, today, guys, I've picked out true blueberry tea that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, okay? It's actually made with real blueberries. Now, on the back of this particular brand that I've picked out right here, it does have a little bit more ingredients in it other than just blueberries. This particular one has a little bit of hibiscus, rose hips, orange peel, natural blueberry leaves, and straight wild blueberries, it says, okay? So that's going to be what this one's about. But guys, I wanted to talk with you today about blueberry benefits as far as our health goes, okay? Okay, guys, I'm going to pour our hot water in here, and we're going to let this be seeping. Okay, we want this to steep while I'm having a conversation with you guys about the blueberries, okay? Let that be doing its thing. Guys, I have a spoon in here. I don't want the pot to buzz, so you always need to put a little spoon in there to help that, okay? So we're going to cover that back up, and I wanted to share with you guys about the benefits, the health benefits of blueberries. Guys, it benefits our vision. It helps in vision loss. It breaks down belly fat. It preserves bone health. It relieves constipation, improves memory, reduces the risk of heart attack. It induces cancer cells, which is a big one for sure. It lowers blood sugar. It prevents urinary tract infections. It helps promote weight loss. It soothes inflammation, and it helps blood pressure. It reduces the signs of aging for sure. But these are a wonderful list of things that blueberries do for our body if we could just add it to our diet, guys. Blueberries are rich, rich in vitamin C. They're always a good source of dietary fiber. But guys, this being a great antioxidant, I think it would be really fantastic if we all could just add a little bit more. It's a really good tea too. What I like to do, I like fresh blueberries, and I like to put just a few little fresh blueberries in my teacup. Okay, I put the spoon back in, and I'm going to pour the blueberry right on top. Look at that beautiful color, guys. Holy cow, is that not beautiful? That is absolutely beautiful. And it's gonna seep probably 3 to 5 minutes. But guys, look at that. Is that not absolutely beautiful? Now, the only thing I don't like about teacups is they drip. I need to find my little dripper to put over this so it won't spill. But guys, this is a beautiful little tea right here. Healthy for you. Now you can add sugar cubes to it if you'd like. You can add your own type of sweetener. You can add honey if you'd like some honey. You can just put a few little drops of honey in there to sweeten it if you want something natural. Oh my goodness, guys, that is absolutely beautiful. You can definitely taste that blueberry flavor. Now, for tea time for me today, I have blueberries that I can munch on. Or I have a treat for myself where I've made myself some little blueberry shortbread cookies to go with my blueberry tea. And all I'm going to do, I'm just going to drizzle just a little bit of sweet honey on the top, just to add a little bit of flavor, a little sweetness, because that's not icing on that shortbread cookie, that's actually cream cheese, guys. Some quiet time and enjoy a cup of blueberry tea to better your health. Have yourself a little sweet little snack with it. See that, guys? It's exceptional. It's really good. But add some health to your life, guys. When you're having your tea time and your little meditation time, do something fun and make your tea time a little bit different. Do something special and try this blueberry tea. It's beautiful color, and it would be beautiful for a little tea party if you wanted to as well. Quiet time or a beautiful tea party. Now, guys, we always have the tea bag. You know I love inspiration tea bags, so let's read our little tea bag, okay? Okay, here we go. Our tea bag says, "When the dawn of simplicity comes in life, complications leave." That's beautiful. All right, guys. Happy Tea Time Tuesday. I hope you join us for more tea videos that are calendar related, holiday related, and health related, guys. So we'll see you on the next video. Happy Tea Day. Bye-bye.